Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Katie. So today I have a little something different. I'm going to do a BoxyCharm unboxing. This is the November box. I believe it's the base box. I believe. I literally just got this. That's what it looks like. Let's open it up. Okay. So, oops. I need to scoot some stuff over. Get out of my way. Rude. What's in my face? Okay, let's see here. So, this is the BoxyCharm Harvest. And then it tells me like all the stuff that came in the box. I also got, ooh, Natasha Denona is treating charmers for 25% off. Awesome. Ooh, what's this? So, Beauty Creations Cali Glow. I've never heard of this company. Let's see what this is about. Is this the premium? No, this is the base box, I guess. My other one's probably coming. Ooh. Highlighters. Obviously, probably the only one that'll probably work for me is the Malibu one, which is the lighter shade. The rest of the two are probably too dark for me. Probably could use it in the summertime when I'm a little bit darker too on my shoulders and collarbone area. That's cute. I wonder what they look like. Ooh. So that's, I don't know if you can see it. Malibu. It's kind of on my wrist right there. Maybe I do a better swatch. That's super pretty, like that. Gorgeous. Yeah, I've never heard of this brand. That's one thing I like about BoxyCharm is you get these indie brands that people have never heard of. So this one retails for $14.99, and it says a summer glow all year round, all year long. Yes, please. The Cali Glow Highlight Palette is made of up to 3 shades to suit all skin tones. Malibu has a subtle champagne color. Santa Monica gives you the golden hour look all day long, and Manhattan Beach is for the ultimate bronze look. So yes, it does. For all skin tones. Let me just bubble wrap on my face. Okay, and then we got the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner with green and white tea extract. Protect against free radicals, leave skin revitalized, improves skin barrier. So that's what this looks like. And this retails for $40. I think this would be great. Maybe. Hold on, let me see. It says this toner is packed with an antioxidant-rich blend of green tea and white tea to shield your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. It's formulated with red rose wine, lotus flower extract to tone, soothe, and purify, leaving skin feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized. Okay, I'm gonna smell it. I'm a smeller. It smells like a toner. So we'll try that out probably when I take all my makeup off and everything. And let's see what this is. 111 or 111 Skin Pearly St. London Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. I don't know much about this one. Holy moly, you gotta be crapping me. This thing, this right here retails for $135. $135? $135. So it says on here, hyaluronic acid aqua booster increases moisture levels by delivering a shot of concentrated hydrating ingredients into skin to combat both dryness and dehydration. Now I have all those things, dryness and dehydration. I work as a nurse, 12-hour shifts, night shift, ICU med surg. Oh my god, it's a little itty bitty bottle. So it says shake well before use, mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer, or apply directly to skin after cleansing. Oh, it says it's developed by renowned Harley Street plastic surgeon Dr. Yanis Alexandrites. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. Inspired by space science. This better work. For $135? Wow. That's, whoa, crazy. And the disappointing thing is if it actually freaking works and makes my skin look amazing, I'm gonna be so disappointed when it runs out, and then I'm like, really wish I had that $135 skin aqua booster for my dehydrated skin. Okay, let's see here. Jessica Block. I think I've heard that right. Liquid Corrector 2.0. Let's see here. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I think I'm holding that wrong. Meet the perfect under eye brightener, which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. The lightweight former creates a natural glowing finish. Now we all know that I have dark circles under eyes because I don't get enough sleep. So I'm guessing that's what the color corrector looks like. Is that? Apply under the eye with a small brush or fingertips. Can be used alone or before applying concealer. And this retails for $15. Yeah, it's like a little bit of a peachy color. I'm curious if that actually works for dark circles. I've been wanting to buy the Charlotte Tilbury one or the Bobbi Brown one, but I have never bit the bullet to buy it because I'm not that great with color correcting. But I guess let's just smell it. Let's smell it. I'm all about smelling stuff. Doesn't smell like anything. It is vegan and cruelty free, and it's made in the UK. Okay, let me smell this 111 skin, or however you pronounce it. I wonder what this smells like. Nothing, which is fine with me. Some people don't like scented stuff. Okay, and then the last thing in this box is the Give Me Brow Brow Volumizing Gel, Fiber Gel. Thin, skimpy brows, fuller looking now. So I have very fair blonde eyebrows, so let's see how much this is. $24. This tinted eyebrow gel contains tiny microfibers that adhere to skin and hairs, creating a natural looking fullness and definition. The custom tiny tapered brush provides easy mess proof application. Poof, fuller looking brows magically appear. And it's $24. That's what it looks like. Their packaging, benefit packaging is adorable. I guess we can try it out. Let's see here. Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, I like this. Oh, that's cool. Oh my god. I've never used a tinted gel. Yes. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can tell the difference. It's giving me like a subtle. Oh, yes. Oh, cool. Cool. I like that. That's interesting. So it's water resistant and long wearing. Cool. I like that. So let's add all this up. If I can find my phone. Let's add all this up and see what this cost all together. So for all these products that I got in this box, $228.99. So if you put in tax, $230 for all these products that I got for BoxyCharm. Cost me, ow, because I buy the 2 boxes. So the premium box is $35 and the BoxyCharm box, basic box, is $25. So I spent $25 and got $230 worth of products. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So I can't wait to use these products. I know this is a quick little video, but I thought I'd try something a little bit different. So if you guys liked this and the unboxing and everything, I might do some more unboxings of my next BoxyCharm that I'm still waiting for. I think it's my premium one, because I think this is my basic box. So yeah, if you guys like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me some feedback, comments. You know it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys really, really soon. Bye.